All right. What is up, everybody? Welcome to Garden of BanBan. I've only watched like one person play this game, and I didn't even watch the whole video, so I might as well try it out for myself. Make a video about it, see if it scares the poo-poo out of me, because I really don't get scared, I'm not going to lie. I play scary games, but I don't really get scared, so let's go ahead and start a new game. Let's do this. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, the door opened. What is that? It is dark now. Okay. Well, that's crazy. Oh. And just like that, we're... Hold WASD for movement. Okay. Press E to interact with objects. I got a blue card. Hold shift to sprint. Okay. Yeah, so I got a blue. Anything else? Okay, I got a blue key card, so I guess we'll just go ahead and go into the blue room. Oh, look, got a remote. The remote requires 2 batteries. Okay, well, let's find these. Oh, dear mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. Oh, that's a little weird. That's a little weird, just saying. I need 2 batteries. Where would I find batteries? Maybe over here? Oh, look. Battery 1. Oh, battery number 2. We got our batteries. Now what do we do? Oh, look. The drone is flying. Okay. Creativity area. Left mouse to use your toy. Do I make it go with the buttons? Oh, okay. Oops. Go to that button. Oh. Controls can be accessed anytime in the pause menu. Alright, what does this say? I wanted to read this. Jumbo Josh says, eat vegetables and fruits to become strong, like me. Okay, well, he must be a strong lad. Smack that button. Smack it with your forehead. Yeah. Nothing happened. What about that button? Will it not be able to make it over there? Oh my! Wait, what was that button for? Yo. What is that? Hello? You're not gonna... Okay. The end is here. BanBan says, sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine. What the heck kind of game is this, bruh? Do I go in here? Because I'm not going in there. It's dark. Wait, can I use the key card? Oh. That's the thing we just saw. Look at his little ugly pink self. Should we check this area out first and make sure there isn't anything? Oh, I forgot about the drone. I forgot about it. Hey, come in here, Bubba. Come in here. Come on. Oh, maybe it's saying this. Maybe I can break this glass. Wait, did it say it wasn't, or it is able to break this? Come on. You're wasting precious daylight, my boy. I'm scared something behind me is going to happen. Okay. Kill the glass. Kill it. Meow. What? Oh, okay. So I can't press it myself? Am I even supposed to be over here right now? Oh, yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Now smack that button with your forehead. Boom. Bruh, come on. Boom. Bro, come on. Get the button. Oh, it broke the glass. Watch this button not even do anything. Oh, bruh. That's some bull crap. Okay, I guess we do gotta go over here. Opila bird mission. Opila bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Found an egg. There's 2 eggs. There's another egg over here. Look at that. Boom. 3 eggs already. How many eggs? 6? I was hoping it's not like, oh, thanks for feeding me. Now it's time to eat you. Let's see if I can make it hit the button from here. Like if it's going straight at it. Okay, nope, that button doesn't work. Alright, we're going to bring it back over here, Mr. Drone. And we're going to go ahead and give this thing some eggs. Here you go. Why I sound like that? Oh, look, there's an egg right there. Boom. Number 4. Can I go down the slide? That'd be sick. Any more? Oh. Come on, pick up the egg. Number 5. Is there one in the end of the tunnel? No, that'd have been a good spot for one. I think 5. Yeah. Find eggs to feed Opila bird. I just fed it 5 eggs. I'm not seeing any more eggs anywhere. What is that? Oh, look, the buttons. No, don't come over here. Smack the button. You're supposed to smack the button. Look. Boom. There you go. Hit that button. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Last egg. All right. There you go. Oh, what is that? Yellow key card? Claim your reward at the mouth. All right. A destructive tool is needed to remove the planks. Oh, okay, now I go over here. So I got the yellow card, so I gotta go over here now. Okay, I see. Come on, Mr. Drone. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna press this. Then we smack the button. Make sure to watch that chicken thing. Oh, the door that I was looking at opened. Ah, hammer. What does this say? Distraction at 1. What does that mean? Like 1 o'clock or station 1 or... I do need to bring this drone with me. It's kind of annoying, you know. But we will get this game done. I'm going to beat this game. Bro, I'm scared of this bird. I'm scared of this bird, bro. I'm scared of this bird brain. The lights should come on. Oh, what is that? Something moving over there. Why is there feet on the wall? Where's the drone? Get over here, drone. What are you doing? I need you for this mission. Come on. Thank you. Okay. Now we go over here. Space to jump. Well, now I can't even get over there. Oh, okay, there's another one coming. There's another one coming. Alright, bet. So I just gotta wait. That was not a loud noise. Gotta wait. Let me on. Let's go, Mr. Drone. Mr. Drone. Come this way, Mr. Drone. Oh, Opila Bird says laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. See, the bird isn't that bad. He just wants us to smile. No, don't knock. Oh. What was my color? Okay, so this one is green for sure. We seen him. Green. I don't know what color that one is or that one. This one's pink. Wait, is it pink or is it like a purple? Okay, it's pink. This one's red. Oop. Maybe there's like pictures of them too. Let's find out. Oh no, the other colors. Actually, I think that one right there between the green one and the red one is white. I think so. Let's go check it out and see what we can find over here. Yeah. Okay, see, white. Kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Kindness is not free. Kindness is earned. I'm kidding. Okay, so now we just got to figure out which one's orange and which one's... Oh, okay. He's purple, or that color. Okay, so the other one's orange. Nice. So this one's got to be white. This one's going to be the bluish purple color. And then this one I'm guessing is orange. Yeah. It did open the door. Look at that. And... Hey, whoa! 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 What am I supposed to do? Hey, yo, chill out there, bro. Yo! Oh, no, I didn't even get to read it. Hey, how you... What you doing, Mr. Whoa. Hey, you're getting a little close there, bud. You're getting a little close there, bud. Oh my god! He's chasing me! Oh my god, I'm scared. Where do I gotta go? I'm dead. What's it? Dude! Yo! That was scary. S. For you suck. Press E to be reincarnated. This part is creepy, bro. Look at the bird. Look at him just standing there, bro. Look at him. Bro! Oh my, I thought he was about to come all the way over here, bro. I'm scared. I'm about to poo-poo my pants, man. Okay, watch this parkour, bro. They don't even understand parkour like I do. Hit the button. Okay, run, no. Do I gotta press the emergency stop button? Haha! Oh! Run. I'm not even gonna give a chance. I'm not looking. I'm not looking back. What now? I didn't even get the drone. I completely forgot about the drone. Mr. Drone. Come over here now. We are leaving. Come on. Oh my. Come on, drone. I don't know what I'm supposed to do now, but we're going to figure it out. Oh, okay. I got the orange key. That was too loud. That was too loud. Bro, you're gonna annoy me. This thing is gonna annoy me so bad. I don't know if I wanna. What are you hitting? You're hitting the tree? Are you kidding me? Are you serious? You're not even in the sight of the tree, bro. Come on. How am I supposed to beat the game? The drone won't cooperate. I am gonna need the drone. That's stupid. Okay, there's a paper over here. Let's read it. Bro, you are obnoxious. You are so annoying. Stop hitting stuff. There's no reason for you to be hitting stuff. Now go this way. Come on. Come on. Stop moving. Stop moving. Dude, I can't with this thing. Oh my. Okay. Boarding pass. If we need it for later. Is there anything in this trash can? Anything? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Right under the desk. Boom. Smack it. Bro. My God. Go where you're doing. This supposed to be going, my friend. If it would have hit that door again. Oh, my dude. This thing is so annoying. What did you hit that time? What was it? All right, there we go. First, oh, we can use this one now. Should I go down there? What? Get over here, just in case. It's stuck. The drone is stuck. Oh. Well, looky there. What a platform come up. Well, see, I would love to get... Oh, there we go. Alrighty, here we go. Are we going downwards? What is this light for? Mr. Drone, come with me. Mr. Drone! Oh, I don't like this, dude. I don't like this. I really don't like this. No. Bro, I got the chills for... What is that? Oh, my God! Oh, hi, Mr. Green Dude! Oh! Wait, was his hand orange? Hello? Oh. Oh, okay. Well, that was short. But, that was Garten of BanBan 1, I guess. Thank you for watching the, small playthrough of Garten of BanBan 1. I might play the second one. You never know. So yeah, we actually can't do anything. Yeah. All right. Well, yeah, I'll try out the second one. Get that one out to y'all. That was actually, I'm not gonna lie, I think I pooped myself when the elevator went down. That was actually terrifying because I hate hearing noises and not being able to see anything. So, yeah. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.